Good morning, students. Today, let us learn PyPlot program to plot multiple lines with different colors defined explicitly. We already know how to draw the chart or the line chart with the help of Matplotlib we have done earlier. But this time in this program, we will learn to change the colors according to our choice of the lines. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. This is the first line of the program. It is compulsory for us to import this package so that we can draw the chart. Next is import numpy as np. Now numpy is for numerical Python. np and plt, they both are acting as the alias. Now y is equals to np.arange 1, 3. So y is equals to what? Y is numpy array equal to np.arange. What is arange? Arange is the method of numpy. And here we are giving the lower limit and the upper limit. What we have written here? 1, 3. And when we say print y, now just look at the output below the graph. What it prints? 1 and 2. So 1 less, it will print 1 less. Always upper limit minus 1. So the output will be 1, 2. Print y plus 1. Y plus 1. The values were 1 and 2. So we will do plus 1 to both the numbers. 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So what it will print? 2 and 3. Same output window you can just consider below the diagram. Third is print y plus 2. Y. The value of y we know. Y is the numpy array. The value of y is 1 and 2. So when we add 2 in 1, it comes out to be 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. So just see the last row, third row below the diagram. It comes out to be 3 and 4. So this is the output which we want in the form of the chart, line chart. Let's begin with it. plt.plot. plt.plot. Plot is the function. It is the method. What we want? We want to plot the y. Y is what? Numpy array. So y comma y we have given in single quotes. Now this y which is in single quotes, it defines the color in which you want to print. So I want to print in the yellow color. So for yellow color the symbol is y. Now you can see in the output the color of the line, first line is yellow. Second statement, plt.plot y plus 1 m is for magenta. So y plus 1, this time which row will be printed? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, second line, just see, have a look on the second line. It will print 2 and 3 and its color is magenta. Third, plt.plot y plus 2. Y plus 2, it means this time what we are printing? 3, 4. And in which color? C. C is for cyan. Here it is. When we just execute it, plt.show, I will write. Show function will just display the chart in front of me. Here is a table of abbreviations used to select colors. If I write B, the line will be printed in blue color. C is for cyan. G is for green. K for black. M for magenta. R is for red. W is for white and Y is for yellow. Now one thing to be noted. In the earlier programs we have not given the line color, but still it was coming in different colors. All the lines were coming in different colors. So even if you skip the color information in plot, Python will plot multiple lines in the same plot with different colors by default. But these colors are decided internally by Matplotlib. We have done number of programs in PyPlot to draw the line charts, and all the lines were the solid lines. But what if I want to change the style of the line? It is very much possible. So the line styles can also be changed as per the needs of the user. Matplotlib allows us to use different line styles. All the available line styles are listed in the following table. By default, it is a solid line. If we don't mention anything, then a solid line will appear. But if we want dashed line, so for the dashed line, what we have to do? We have to just put 2 hyphens. For solid line, 1 hyphen, which is the default. If I want the dashed line, then 2 hyphens are required. Another thing is, the next style is, we can put the hyphen and dot, hyphen dot like this. So to put that, we have to use the symbol or the abbreviation like this, hyphen and dot, dash dot. Okay? Now what we have to do is, if I want only the dots, then colon is used for it. Now let us learn the PyPlot program to plot lines with different styles using plot function. Here you can see the graph, the output. We have 3 lines. The program is same, but only the pattern of the line is different. Style of the line is different. Let us begin with the program. 2 lines are same. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Explanation is exactly the same as we have done in the first slide. Import numpy as np. These 2 import statements we have to write. Now in the third statement, we have created the numpy array. So why is the numpy array? Using arange, we have created the array. Now plt.plot y comma 2 hyphens we have given in single quotes. 2 hyphen means which kind of line we want? We want dashed line. In the next statement, we are writing plt.plot y plus 1 comma dash dot, means hyphen dot. So here you can see in this graph, second line, so the style is different, hyphen dot or dash dot. This is the style. In the third statement, next statement, plt.plot y plus 2, and then we are giving the colon. Colon is the abbreviation for dotted line. So third line, you can have a look. The third line is the dotted line. plt.show. Show function is used to display the graph.